Hey, Mohammed here from tipsinthego.com, and in this video I have got you the 3 most important plants and herbs that you need to use today in order to boost your immune system. This is really important to do today because this is the right time to start taking care of ourselves and trying to boost and strengthen our immune system. And the best thing about using herbs and plants to boost our immune system is that they are free, they are natural, so there are no side effects, and they are easily found because we're talking about plants and herbs that you can find in your backyard right now. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. The 3 most important plants that you need to use today to boost the immune system. So number 1, elderberry. This is how they look like. Elderberries are the most used and studied in herbal formulas. They are commonly used with teas and syrups, and they have been used for hundreds and hundreds of years to boost and strengthen the immune system. Number 2, Usnea, U-S-N-E-A, and it's this green fuzzy stuff. It's also called the old man's beard. You've probably walked through it like thousands of times and you never noticed it. And the best way to use Usnea is to make tinctures of it and consume it. And number 3 is licorice root. This is how it looks like. Licorice root is a natural anti-inflammatory that relieves stress, soothes any stomach pain, and cleanses the respiratory system. It can be used as a powder, tea, or tincture or liquid extract. And there you go, that's it. These are the 3 most important plants and herbs to use today to boost your immune system. So if you want to learn more about how to use these 3 plants and more to boost your immune system today, I have got you a free video that teaches you everything about that. It will teach you how to use them, how to make tinctures with them, how to identify these plants in your backyard, and where exactly to find them. So if you want to learn more and watch this free video, click the learn more button below now. And if you found this video helpful, please feel free to share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much, and see you soon.